As part of most landscape design work, you will need to place information about quantities required for the design. So there's an area of grass through here. If we select the polyline that's been filled to indicate the grassed area, you can see over here in the properties box that this is a metric drawing, so that is in square units or square millimetres. So to get the correct value, we'd have to shift the decimal place by 6. So we move 665, that takes 3 off, and then 952. So rounding up, that would be 6.7 metre square. And a simple way to stamp somewhere in the design that value in metre square is to use the tools and measure area of closed polyline. So we just pick the area. Now, how do we want to label it? Millimetre square or metre square? We want M for metre square, and we're going to put the value, we'll stamp it here, and we just move a little box, and that puts that same value, which we now know needs to be changed to 6.7 metre square. So the hieroglyphics in here give us the square, and we can OK. So there's our 6.7 metre square, written in the current text style, which is standard, and the zone on the left-hand side is in fact a mirror image of that on the right. So we can select that piece of text and right-click and mirror, and we can mirror it about the centre of the design, and with copy is on, so we can do that, and the text has now been mirrored from one side to the other. But notice what happens, the text is reversed. But if we pick that piece of text, come down here to mirror, we can say we don't want the text mirrored, and now we've got 6.7 metre square indicating that area on both sides. You don't need to go through that. You can, of course, select the area and jot that figure down, but getting the hieroglyphic to get the M squared is somewhat difficult, and that little tool does it easily for you.